Yo, hear what me I say. First and foremost, me I say, hear what? Gaza diva, anywhere at all there in the world. Hear what me I say, no, man? The thing shell way, hotter than where hell there. And another lollipop thing. Watch what I go on. Yo, me no want hear no boy, you know. I talk about, you know. Me no want hear no boy, you know. I talk about, you know. Oh, you know, intence, you know. They are jail when Vybz when sikkarymes and Vybz kartel video shoot are going, you know. Because that's a living hypocrisy, you know. Right now, around 5 days ago, that video shoot they drop. When the video shoot they drop, intence underneath him bed him a eye water and a peep through hole and look outside out a door. Gaza Nation, you think them can go up on the Gaza go do no farm a music video and this the world boss? What? Yeah, no man. Hey, the world it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know. Because carefully thing, you know. Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know it go already, you know. Full effective. Know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, no, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Yo, watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch.
Easy now, 10-star general. Dan dada. Free the Dan. Free the Dan all the time. One-on-one, free the Dan.
You hear what the Muslim...
Much respect from the Muslim.
You hear what the Muslim boss I say? The man I say, free the world boss right now. And that the Muslim boss I say, free the world boss now. And another lollipop thing. You think a gimmicks thing about you? Or the big Muslim boss I say that. You know that? The man look like $1 million himself. You know what I mean? And another gimmicks thing. Because we don't deal with lollipop thing. We don't know a Gaza Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing. I'm tired for telling you so you have to understand how Vybz Kartel set it. A bass style, lyrics, mega force him use and make it. You see me on a lollipop thing, don't watch your color because no boy can't punk it a 10-star, the general in a full effect. So here me I say right about now. You know see how sikkarymes bad no blood clot. Go take over boy place, take over boy home base. Meanwhile, the mafia peep through fence and a peep through window. You know what I mean? For see what go on out there, them can't even touch upon them own block when time necessary equipment are go on. You see what I deal with? Because the soldier them corral the whole place. You see what I deal with and make sure everything I go as scan to plan. Yo, world boss, you know, easy, you know. But don't tell them already say I grade the smoke and you know bun beady, you know. But look like them not believe me. I want me to them. Yo, the man come like a genie. I want the blood clot there. When me I say genie, I don't mean no bumbo clot, girl. I mean the genie in a buckle. We have to shake for blood clot rackle. And it give 3 wishes, grant you 3 wishes. And a lollipop thing. When me I represent, cause boy I run off them mouth in a music video and I run off them mouth in a song and feel like a lollipop thing and the world boss take the thing straight at them home base. You know what I mean? If you no look at badness, you wanna have shrivel long. I tell you no hype thing you don't have. You don't have no concrete, you don't have no concrete structure in a dance hall. And that you supposed to busy build up. You busy feel like say you can attack the world boss. Alkaline can't go in a street credibility. Because Alkaline never broke a fight on the road yet. Alkaline never play a game of skimmage yet. You see what I deal with? The last time I asked 2 brothers, them claim say Jackson, Dandish and they and hula hoop that brother they play. You see what I deal with? I don't know, gimmicks business. The man never play a six-a-side skimmage pan the street corner nor in the open land yet. Nor even pan the ball field yet. You know what I mean? Nobody don't know of such thing. A real way me I represent a lollipop way. So what kind of street credibility you could have him can give him? Him can't give him the street credibility, guys, and nation. It not exist. I no lie me I tell. No joke na night. Yeah man, I saw run the night, man. We sip up. We sip up and we blaze up. You hear that? No joke about it. We sip up and we blaze up after a hard day of work. I saw the thing go Gaza Nation. Is your Muslim boss? Let me the fire there, let me the torch. Let me sparks up. You know, I no gimmicks business. Yeah. Real way we represent Gaza Nation. We not in a lollipop thing. We say the man them run out in a song and run out in a music video and feel like them tough. You know what I mean? Man them all violate all world boss, baby mother. So when the man them take it to them home base, a hide boy a fair hide. You see what I deal with? Yeah, them local lollipop fans them a run out. Police still hold on pan. Oh no, don't feel like today the video shoot drop. You no couldn't see it. If I did today drop, you no couldn't see it. A 5 day I got that done. You hear that? I hide them in them house I hide. You know what I mean? Not even them own place, them have no street credibility, you know. So you know what you do. You see what I deal with? And understand yourself. So right now, you know, you're not supposed to come back with no up and no up in a news, in a dance hall, you know, when it concerns the world boss or even Gaza, you know. You're not supposed to come back and say no at all. One can come back and say. What kind of this song you can come back and do? You don't see so on a lollipop youth, you don't see so on a baby, you know, Brambles Clifford. You don't see that. You don't see that say you don't have match to the world boss. You don't have to pick, you don't look up on and build on the thing and structure on the thing come up. You don't know that. Eh? I mean, I want no boy come ask me nothing right about now, you know, dog. I don't want no boy come in on my inbox come ask me nothing, because here what go on. Me no have no explanation, you know, for my reaction, you know. For you, you know, nor nobody satisfaction, you know. I make sure to tell you that, you know. I don't know, gimmicks thing, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah. You know, remember, you know, a wealthy man write rich man check, you know. You hear that? Wealthy man write rich man check. You know, hear that? No, I'm not laugh with it, you know. No think a lollipop thing when the general are represent, you know. You see what I deal with? I tell you, you know, my thing is like a brand new thing, one. I can't believe it. Enough boy would have love to try, but them just can't do it. You see what my thing natural, actually, fracturally, and naturally. You see a gimmicks thing? Eh? How much boy wanna feel like you think you can turn on the camera and talk to one like that without him have to run through some fandangles. You think me laugh with it? Me not tell you no say if boy violate them, get them head chop off with it. Me not make you know already. Say me is not a blogger, me is a revolutionist to Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. You wanna do not disbelieve me? Eh? Me not tell you no, me are the man with the most finesse on the internet. Me not tell you no that. Eh? I ask the girl them if me is not one of the most charmfulest man in the world. Me a Virgo, you know, man, it not speak for itself on a lollipop thing. Me not tell you no lie. You know what I mean? You don't know my thing go already. Me not play with it. Me say the man them in a them house a hide. A peep through window. And uno underneath bed a peep through window. You can imagine if a boy did peep through him window and look out there and see world boss out there for real. All the back fence him take. I want me to tell you, man. All the back fence him take. Him would take. I don't know, gimmicks thing. You think none of them look a lollipop you they wanna ear run up them mouth pan rhythm when them in a studio? Do you think them can go a Portmore but them a line up video where them a show this song in about the world boss? And make sure to get this clearly, you know. More listen to me, you know. And on a violence thing me I deal with, you know. But that me I make you know, you know. So when they hear me I say them can't go there, you know. I mean like them can't go there for real and a lollipop thing. And I'm not talk about no violence thing. But them can't go there go set up no farmer video shoot that's up on the world boss, but not on the Gaza. Me not ask you know, and I tell you no. You're crazy. Something wrong with you know. You come tell man but man get old before. Man get old before what? You mean old underneath him bed? You know what I mean? Or old behind the curtain and peep through the window. I want me to tell you man. You know long world boss a lock down tavern. The whole of them placed in our ground. Our home base. Our skimmage field. Eh? I want me to know. We not tell you no hold no street credibility. You know see it on the internet. Say the man them rub out alkaline face up of him place. And a TJ when the man them put in. Here's where me I deal with and this time the 3 rifle where I have lean up on the wall. You see me? And I have to run out of town after all. I don't know gimmicks business. Now them look man you claim say them around the place. Remember, you know, them say them around the place and them are the hot topic now, you know. The world boss say, oh yeah, we know the hot topic. Alright, make a compare on a visit. A hide boy have to hide. So right now when time we hear about Gaza and the Gaza artists, them we better approach you with caution, you hear that? Because we're armed and dangerous. If you don't feel like a lollipop thing, you better put some respect for our name. You talk about Gaza, you talk about dancehall main column. You see what I deal with? You not even dancehall weak fence, but you start run up on the mouth. You not even dancehall weak fence. You not even reach fence yet. You is just a look at amok, a dancehall amok. You know what I mean? Yeah. Where people get look rest and feel comfortable and listen to two and look a hype tune and where. Yeah, or something like that. But nobody come go like say, no dancehall goddess. You crazy. You dancehall baby where dust come. You should have busy and spend time and build up on craft. Make certain the people them listen to you know, and give the people them some nice work and build up on a structure come in. No, you don't want that. You just want to come in a dance hall and run past everybody. You know man. You know the lightning man himself. Eh? You know the lightning man himself. Eh? I hope everybody see we're not easy. You know what I mean? And make certain, you know, Gaza Nation Friday, you know. When you make that video there, you know. I have to ask you know. When you make that video there, you know. #1 trending. The song #1 trending. As Gaza Diva say, a 3-day show and see it take to make $1 million. To make 1 million views on the tube. That Gaza Diva say. 3-day show get. You know what I mean? So you know what she tell you for the Gaza Nation? For go over there, go squeeze up on a trigger finger and make necessary equipment drop and loud explosion about there. You see what I mean? I'm not have to tell you no what to do for stream the shit, you know, because you know our thing going, you know. A streaming we really deal with, you know, that we interested in, you know. But say if you can surprise Gaza Diva and give her the 1 million views in a 2.5 days, that would be a pretty look. You see what I deal with? That would be a pretty look for World Boss and sikkarymes for them bravery where them have for go take over people place and control it. And the general the 10 star one I represent. You know, each and every time I represent, you know a full effect thing. Gaza Nation, you know, bless up on yourself, you know, enjoy on yourself. Because it's Friday, loud explosion in the street. What? Yo, a 10-star way, you know. There ain't no other way. Whoa.